Lancer owner, I want to talk to you. I have something really special for you. For a very limited time, I can offer you 0% financing on this incredible 2020 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. I can also give you, just because you own a Lancer, you were smart enough to buy a Lancer, $2,000 as a loyalty rebate, just as a thank you for owning a Mitsubishi. And the best thing is, you don't even have to trade it in. You can keep your Lancer, but you can also have an amazing SUV that's going to keep you safe all times of the year. Then we're going to give you, as another thank you, a complimentary factory remote start for your Eclipse Cross. So you can stand in your window and hit the button and warm your car up. We already know we have the best warranty on the planet, but we're going to give you, at no cost, 10 years of comprehensive warranty, 10 years of powertrain warranty, 10 years of roadside assistance, absolutely free. It's a $2,600 value to you at no additional cost. Guys, that's $5,100 of free value just for making a smart decision. If you're even thinking you want to upgrade, you want an SUV, you need to take advantage of this right now. It's a very special offer for a very short period of time. Get into Fredericton Mitsubishi today, give us a call, 457-1000, and get into this puppy.